In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a payment ledger entry in ERPNext. Whether you're managing your business finances or simply learning the ropes of ERPNext, understanding how to properly delete a payment entry is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records. So let's dive right into it. First, let's navigate to where we need to go in the ERPNext platform. Start by accessing the main dashboard, and then direct your attention to the accounting module. You'll find this module in the navigation pane. Once there, locate and select the Payments section. This is the area where all your payment transactions are recorded and managed. After selecting Payments, you'll see an option labeled Payment Entry. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a page listing all the payment entries that have been recorded in the system. Now, it's time to identify the specific payment entry you'd like to remove. Browse through the list, and once you've found the entry you're looking for, open it. You can do this by clicking directly on the entry, which will bring up all the details associated with that particular transaction. It's always a good idea to double-check that you've selected the correct payment entry to avoid any potential errors in your financial records. With the payment entry open, you'll notice options to either delete or cancel the entry. So, what's the difference between these two actions? When you select Delete, you're removing the transaction completely from your records as if it never existed. However, if you choose to cancel, you're essentially reversing the transaction without erasing its existence entirely. Canceling is often a safer choice as it prevents loss of data and maintains a record of the reversal within the system. To proceed, click on your preferred option, whether it's Delete or Cancel. Keep in mind that if you cancel the entry, ERPNext automatically reverses the general ledger entries associated with that payment. This action not only makes the payment inactive, but also ensures that your ledger remains balanced and accurate. Cancellation is often recommended because it records the change within the platform, maintaining a clear audit trail. Once you've either deleted or canceled the payment, take a moment to verify the changes. This can be done by refreshing the payment entry page and checking the list to see that the entry is no longer active. Remember, maintaining clear and accurate financial records is key to successful business management, and knowing how to properly manage payment entries in ERPNext is a significant part of that process. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to delete or cancel a payment ledger entry in ERPNext. Keep practicing, and soon enough, navigating and managing your ERP system will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for other helpful tips and tutorials.